Life is like a winding path, sometimes sunny, sometimes full of haze. From time to time, we feel confused, uneasy, and even doubt whether we are going in the right direction. Maybe you have also asked yourself, is this the life I want? Do I really know myself? These questions make us struggle, but it is also an opportunity to find the answer. When we pursue the recognition and satisfaction of the outside world, we often fall into confusion and anxiety. True peace does not come from external possession, but from inner clarity and self-knowledge. Try to calm down and ask yourself, what makes me feel lost? Am I bound by the shadow of the past or the anxiety of the future? When we focus on the present and learn to observe the inner voice, rather than being affected by external noise, the fog will slowly dissipate. The confusion and constraints in life mostly come from the persistence and expectation of the outside world. However, when we realize our inner strength, we can get rid of these shackles. Everyone has unlimited potential, but these potentials need to be honed in setbacks and ignited in confusion. When you learn to regard challenges as part of life rather than obstacles, you can get inspiration from them. The confusion of life is the beginning of self-breakthrough. The deeper you explore your heart, the more you can find the answers that have been ignored. Try to face confusion instead of avoiding it, because behind every problem, there are seeds of wisdom. When you learn to guide yourself with the light of your heart, the external difficulties will no longer be so terrible. Life is a practice. Confusion and clarity alternate like yin and sunshine. Only by accepting the coexistence of the two can we truly find our own path. Our persistence often stems from the wrong perception of the external image. When you can penetrate the appearance and see the essence of life, you can touch your true self and get rid of confusion. Have you ever felt lost in the torrent of life? We are held hostage by the expectations and evaluations around us, and gradually forget our true selves. However, the light in the depths of my heart never disappears. When we stop and return to our inner voice, we can touch the purest self again. The true self is not bound by the external environment and matter. Just like the dust in the mirror, it blocks our sight, but the dust comes from outside after all. Only when you return to inner peace can you see the clear mirror. Many people strive to pursue external success and identity, but feel more and more confused, because we ignore that the true value of life comes from inner satisfaction and self-overcoming. Try to give yourself a period of time to listen to your inner needs. Perhaps you will find that everything you pursue in the past is just a framework given by society, not a direction that really belongs to you. Confusion is an opportunity to re-choose. With courage and faith, let the true self set sail and find that pure vitality. Be careful of returning from chaos to clarity, and the light of life will naturally appear. Everyone has a power like sunshine in their hearts. As long as they learn to open the clouds, the sun will fill the whole heart. External difficulties and darkness are only short-term phenomena, just like dark clouds on a cloudy day, which will eventually dissipate with the wind. Confusion is not terrible, because it reminds us that we are standing at the crossroads of choice. The key is whether you can keep your mind clear, look at the current problems with a wise eye, and believe that the difficulties will eventually pass. When you are deep in a low point, try to believe in the light deep in your heart. Maybe it is weak, but it guides us forward. Every difficulty is the nourishment of growth, and our mind is the starting point for changing everything.